Looks a bit grim over there. That's mental. You can actually see the snow falling as I'm stood in the sunlight, and here it comes. I'm getting snowed on. I can see it coming in the distance. It's mental. And once again, me and Snoop are stood in a field getting piss wet through. Lovely. You can actually hear it in the distance, banking down. It's about to get heavier and heavier and heavier. Oh, it's like apocalypse. These are big and all. Ah! Ow! Not bothered about the snow, are we, Snoop Dogg? Or the hail? Don't give a toss. Look at that tail. Go on then, fetch it!